Why does snoring become a part of a sleeping habit? Snoring can be defined as a sleep disorder where a person who suffers makes noisy and sometimes severe noises during sleep time, where the sufferer is not aware. This disorder is sometimes referred as sleep apnea. Snoring is usually a humiliating fact that many people avoids because when a person suffers sleep snoring, his or her friends or family often cite this as a nasty habit. How to stop snoring is the most sought-after cures for snoring by people who suffer from this scenario. In most cases, there are so-called anti-snoring device, which aids in the prevention and eliminates snoring. Snoring is primarily prone to obese or overweight individuals, whose airway are blocked during sleep hours, where instead of using the nose to breathe, they produce noises in the mouth to be able to breathe. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. Tips to stop snoring. Several measures and alternatives can contribute to the prevention of snoring, which could offer an assurance that should be considered. Prevent snoring by: first, seek medical advice to be able to acquire help for snoring, whether on what is the origin of your snoring and to be able to be assessed by a doctor. After being checked, get some advice, cures for snoring or anti-snoring solutions, which could enable you to overcome the habit. Obtaining snore relief is a great consideration offered by this solution, but it's not totally a 100% cure. Second, opt for snoring aids, because even though this option is a quite expensive one, this is more effective than seeking medical advices or finding snoring solutions. These devices are specially manufactured to stop snoring. Snoring problem is often a long-term habit, which is usually inevitable and needs adequate medical attention to be fully assessed. How to stop snoring measures can be effective when the person will really follow and do the necessary bearings for him to be successful in overcoming the habit. If the person is opposed, or is always not following the exact instructions given by professionals, the prevention of sleep snoring becomes a waste of time and waste of money, and all efforts spared for the activity are all wasted. When this takes place, the sufferer should assess themselves on how to stop their problem, if they are unable to be cured by medical professionals. Snoring is such a problem, for those who do not want it, but if it's truly your habit to snore during sleep time, you should face the consequences and do measures, such as sleeping alone, in order to sleep without the worries of being a nuisance to other people. If you really need to cure snoring and want to seek solutions, click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.